All right, first we're gonna take some olive oil, just put a little on our potatoes. We're gonna brush this around. Next, we're gonna put salt on all sides. And a little pepper. All right, now we're gonna put our potatoes in our air fryer. All right, we've got it on air fry. We're gonna go about 375 degrees and we're gonna start with 15 minutes. All right, that's been 15 minutes. You can hear the skin is crispy. We're gonna need some more time. We're gonna check with a probe or my temp. Yeah, soft, but then it gets firm in the inside. So we're gonna flip these over and go another 15 minutes. All right, it took about 40 minutes. These are some big potatoes. But I want you to see how tender or how soft these are. This just goes right in, so tells me they're done. All right, next we're going to cut these open. We're gonna give them a squish. Get these to come open. All right. Next, we're gonna put some butter in each. Next, some sour cream. Don't forget, we're gonna add some salt to the inside, some pepper, some cheddar cheese, and some bacon. And then we're gonna go back into the air fryer to get this all melted. Right, back in the air fryer we go. For about 5 minutes. All right, let's pull these out. They look amazing. All right, we're gonna finish these off with some freshly cut chives. Boy, those smell good. So there you have it. Air fried loaded baked potatoes.